Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the JL Industries 0501. This is a stainless steel version of their 0501 handle latch. Roof hatch made of stainless steel, so it's an 0501SS is the part number. SS stands for stainless steel. Okay, it's not handed. It's going to work on either side. There's only one handing to this. It doesn't operate oppositely. I've had people want to use it in an unusual application where they want it to be reversed, and quite frankly, I don't recall what that was at this point. But anyway, I know that they're not able to be reversed. So let's put some dimensions on this. Overall height of the base, about 3 3/8, 2 inch. Projection of the latch is going to become about 2 7/16. Overall length from latch to end of handle is just about 6 inch. Let's get a projection eyeballed here. You can see the body is about 5/8, and then you about 1 1/4 inches overall. Length of the handle itself, about 3 3/4. They say it's stainless steel, and while some grades of stainless, lower grades of stainless are slightly magnetic, which is typical for building material, there's probably something in there that is not stainless. Maybe the spring that's forcing the. There's a coiled. There's a flat spring in there. That is probably steel. Which is not uncommon. Everything else is marginally magnetic, just like you'd have in a standard sort of caliber. Standard builder's hardware stainless steel is magnetic at a slight point, but I don't really understand the properties of all stainless to tell you, more magnetic than less. But anyway, it's understood in my experience that there's a slight amount of magnetism to some stainless steel items. Please add to the comments of this video if you can do so constructively, please. I'd like, the edification would be my pleasure. If you have any questions on the JL Industries 0501SS stainless steel latch handle for a roof hatch or any other JL Industries product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you very much.